I woke up late again. And you know, I'm seeing hype for the Harry Potter game, and I'm like, is there any chance I get like a PS5 and like a capture card? You know, maybe if crypto behaves correctly. Maybe if crypto behaves. I think my PC can run the game. It's just, you know, it's not the greatest PC. It's not. I'm currently making an image really quick. You can't see me working on it, but it'll be done soon. Okay, it's almost done. Just okay. Okay, like my PC, it's decent. It's just like let me look up the stats. Yeah, today feels okay. Alright, so we got 16 gig RAM on an AMD Ryzen 7 3700X 8-core processor, 3.6 gigahertz, and then an AMD Radeon RX 5600. It's kind of like maybe this mid-class AMD setup. I mean, Hogwarts Legacy is the main game I'm thinking about, and you know, oh shit, I might want to make this tile set a single image. Yeah, I'm gonna make this a single image, maybe. Yeah, I did the opposite. I swapped from Intel NVIDIA to AMD. I don't know why, I just did. I'm okay. Oh, it's BoJack Horseman. Looks like you finally made a new YouTube account. I'm gonna like, wait a minute. If I want to use multiple separate images, can I do that? I think I can. New single tile. Alright, I need to learn how this shit works. What we're doing here today is learning how this works, because I don't know how it works. You need to like get off my Discord account, you know what I'm saying? Like, new tile set, Add images. Use single tile and drag to select the image you want. Okay, except this is trash. New auto tile. Oh no, back. Oh, enable snap, right. Where's the snap size? Because that's the wrong size. Configurable via the inspector. Where? Oh, here we go. There. Okay. Click on the tile map in the scene tree, and you'll see that it now appears on the right side. Oh, it does, so it does. Oh, we're not done though. We have other images to add. Okay. I think. I might not do the not visible thing. This would need like a separate tile map, I think. Like an overlapping tile map. Anyway, I'm gonna maybe rename this to empty. Well, let's see. Alright, so now I can paint, right? Okay. But, tile map should be locked. Okay. Great. And, collision shapes, yes indeed. Can I show the collision? Okay, so draw, fill, pick, select. Okay, well. I did not watch Sonic 2. I played Sonic 2 when I was a kid on Sega Genesis. Hello. Hello. When drawing with atlas tiles, enable the use priority option, blah blah blah. Auto tiles. Okay, we're not even using auto tiles right now. Okay, now what we want to do. You can flip and rotate tiles using the icons in the top right of the editor. Oh, right here, rotate and flip. I wonder if that, wait, let's see. Oh, this needs to be imported without filter, re-import. Okay, so if I flip it, oh wow, you can actually, let's use like, oh, so you can actually flip tiles and not need to duplicate them. I see, okay. Okay, but now what we want to do is use code, right? So I'm gonna attach a script, tile map, test. When did I learn to program? I was probably about 10 years old, playing ZZT and Mega Zeus, and it kind of taught me how to code a little bit. Alright, so tile map, or we can just look at this. Yeah, alright. Tile maps use a tile set, which contains the list of tiles. When doing physics queries against the tile map, the cell coordinates are encoded as metadata. That's cool, okay. Where's the actual tile data? Like the current map data? It's like get cell, right? Get cell. Okay, so I can query individual cells, but like get cell V. Oh, given by a vector too. Tile index is just what type of tile it is. Oh, get used cells, returns a vector2 array. Oh, this just says if a cell was painted at all. It gives a list of all locations. Oh, this returns an array of all cells with the given tile index. Okay, so like get all solids, for example. Get used rect returns a rectangle enclosing the non-empty tiles. Okay. Is cell transposed? are these swapped? Is X transpose Y transpose map to world? Okay, so this is like about converting tile coordinates to world coordinates. Oh, set cell. Set cell. Set cell. Tile, flip X, flip Y, transpose, auto tile chord. Wait, transpose is a bool, but what is a... Oh, it's X and Y flipped is transposed. What about rotation? I guess rotation is the same thing as XY flipping, just a certain amount of times or something. The 4 different variants or whatever, maybe? Anyway, set cell sounds like what I'm going to be using for the code. An index of -1 clears the cell. We're not messing with auto tile coordinates right now, but that could be relevant later. Data such as collision shapes are not immediately updated for performance reasons. Is it updated like a frame later? Or like later in the frame? Because it's important that the collision shapes do update. Overriding this method also overrides it internally, allowing custom logic to be implemented when the tiles are placed or removed. So this, like, I think dot is like local call, right? To call it, oh, that's to call the default. Oh, I see. So you can call the default with period set cell, and then you can have other code. That happens when you call it. I don't know. I might not need to do that. Okay, set collision layer bit, set collision mask bit. This is for the entire tile set. Auto tiling rules and stuff, yeah, okay. Update dirty quadrants. This has something to do with updating the collision. Okay, well, I was pretty much just looking for a set cell. This is pretty much what I was looking for. And I really just need the XY and the tile, and nothing else. So set cell XY tile. Alternatively, set cell V vector 2 tile. That works. Right. So now maybe I'll start copying some of my other code. We're gonna be using this shit. And I guess I need to actually keep track of the order of these fucking things. 0, 1, 2. Why is it in this order? Can't I move these around? That's kind of weird. 0, 1, 2. The way this is set up is weird. I guess I could like... I could just like declare some const or something. Like empty is 1. Solid is 2. And it's like I had some logic here. Like this shit. I'm just gonna like copy some of this. We're gonna get rid of local area. Get rid of this. Getting rid of player for now. I'm just doing this. Okay. So if I want to attach data to tiles, do I need to keep... I wonder. This is a question. Right, like this like internal map. Do I need it anymore? Because now the tile data is going to be part of this object. Let me try not having this for now, maybe? I need to attach data to tiles. Wait, let me see. Tile data. Oh, is this changed in Godot 4? Go.4 or whatever. Is there an appropriate way to store tile-specific data? I think Godot 4 supports, like, I think Godot 4 supports this and Godot 3 does not. So now I'm confused if I should, like, switch to Godot 4 Alpha. Let me look at this again, but I think I do need an external array. I don't think I can attach data to the tiles directly. I think in Godot 4 you can though. Storing tile data, storing tile info. I'm using a tile map node to store the map. Get the type of tile at a position. I don't know how to store the info for the tile types. Yeah. What's the best way to store information on a map on a tile by tile basis? Yeah, I guess we're just gonna use a two-dimensional array to store extra data. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep this map array, and for now we don't have to worry about nodes being loaded in or not because it's part of the tile set. We'll keep the solid data stored, or like tile type, right? And for now, just the type maybe. And we'll do empty tile type equals solid and then once the type is set cell xy as tile type. I guess. And if let's say I run this. Okay. So it's working. That's good, it's working. Alright, so wonder how easily I could port over everything else. Oh, I never did this, did I? Map append. Right, so let me do this now. Oh, this should be empty. There may be a cleaner way to write this shit. So this, like, it's setting the internal type, but when does it update the tile itself? When does it do it here? Oh, when it's actually spawning the tiles, except in my case they're gonna already be spawned. So it's like, do I want to set cell here? Maybe. It's just like, I don't know if I like the way this is set up. This is why I wanted to set tile data like, well, it's like I'm kind of duplicating this. It's kind of annoying. It's just kind of annoying. Ugh. I might think about this more after I'm done. Let me just do the busy work. And after it's done, I might think about how to organize this shit, because this just seems a bit, I don't like the way this is set up, I think. It's like I'm storing this data in two places, and it's a little bit like, why? Like, why am I doing that? There should be set cell data. Like there should be like every cell should have its own custom properties, like metadata or something. I think that's what Godot 4 does, I think. Alright, we're almost done with this, hold on. Alright, let's see. Oh, wrong scene. Okay. Invalid get index of 1. Let's print the map when we run this shit, so we can see what the fuck. Oh, right. I'm not appending this correctly. It's like map x append, I think. Let me go look at what I did. Yeah, map x append derp. Okay. Right, so that fixed that. Now I can delete the orphans. Okay, clean diagonals, clean orphans. Or like remove orphans. Orphans, where are you? Here we go. Remove orphans. That should work. Whoops. Alright. Yeah, that worked. Okay, cool. Alright. Oh yeah, I wasn't sure if I actually wanted these huge maps or not. Let me, do that 40 by 30. It just kind of looks cleaner if I'm not a player. Yeah, okay. Well, I kind of want to port the rest of the stuff in and see the performance. I think. Oh, let me turn on collision shapes. I think they'll show up. Let me look. Yeah. Okay, good. This doesn't need to be in its own function. This one does because it has to loop several times, but this one is like, there's no reason for that to be its own function, I think. Next, spawning the player. I kind of didn't like the way the player spawner. I didn't think I liked the way I set up the, so I don't need to spawn the tiles anymore because the tile map's automatically doing that for me. But the player spawner, I need really clean ways for the player and the map to communicate to each other. What I was doing before was kind of, I didn't like the way I had it set up. I'm trying to think of the cleanest way, a more clean way to do it. Because what I was doing is like, I had a reference to the player in this script, and then it was just directly adding the player as a child of this object. And this was like the game, like base node kind of. And inside the player script, it would need to talk to like that base script, and it would do get parent to like reference it. And sometimes it would need to reference things from that, like the tile size. And so it's like, I don't like the way it works. So I need to think of like clean ways to communicate between these different scripts, basically. Like, I think I could make a autoload global script called like game or something. Like if okay, my folder organization is shitty too, so let's say I make a new folder, call it global, and then inside of global I create a new script called game. And then the game, then the game would have player, which is a node reference. player and map. And then maybe when these scripts get initialized, they could pass the reference to themselves up to the game. So like game dot map equals self or something. It should be loaded now. This is, oh yeah, there we go, okay. Game.map and game.player. Then in the player script, game.player equals self. And then when it needs to reference things like the tile size, it can be like game.map.tile size. And it's like game.map update map visibility. Then this get parent.map game. Oh, I call it map, but there's okay. What I'm gonna do is make a thing called data. Game.map.data, I think. Okay, I'm gonna rename this script to map. Rename this to the old version. Alright, and this would be called data. And I'm still not like, I need this like data array because I want to store data for individual tiles, like in a more robust way than like I can't there's no way to store data in individual tiles in Godot 3. So I have to like create an abstraction, and that's what this is. We have to find and replace, but whatever. Alright, what happens when I run it? It doesn't crash. Oh, there's some kind of error though. I think it's like caching something. Can I make this the default? There we go. See, this is so annoying. You rename files, then there's suddenly stupid errors popping up, even though they shouldn't exist. I might like close and reopen this. It might fix the problem. Alright, are we good? Yeah, okay. Alright, so, I guess I want to spawn the player now. Oh, what is the, oh, it's called map, right? Alright, rename this, I guess. Map old. Publish it. What's the point of that? I'm just having fun. Publish and finish, like some finished project. What are you talking about? I'm just having fun on the computer. That's what I'm doing. Oh. guess I could just do this. Honestly, maybe the game script should be spawning the player instead of this. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna do like game.spawn player. At XY? Does that even make sense? I need to know shit like tile size. This is like getting frustrating, organizationally frustrating. I don't know. See, I'm just gonna declare this here, up here. Yeah, okay. So that means tile size is no longer going to be locally defined. These should be caps too. Alright. This is tile types. Tile data. Alright. Is tile size declared anywhere? Or is it used anywhere? I don't think so. I typoed something. Oh, here. Alright, so once the player is being spawned, I literally don't need tile size anywhere in the script. That's kind of cool. Okay. Okay, what happens now if I run it? Oops. Invalid to get index 0. Now why is that? Oh, the array never became two-dimensional? Where's the oh, I forgot this. This is data append. Alright, so I run it, what happens? Okay, like the player spawns but I can't move. Because oh, this is now type. Oh, you know what though? This is in the player scripts, but it needs to know the tile types. Although, I wonder if I could, maybe I don't need to check this data for this. Maybe there's... Alright, so now I'm trying to check if the tile's actually solid, but we do have collision and stuff. Let me go look again at the tile map built-in shit. Okay, I don't think, okay, right now I'm storing tile type. You know, at the moment I don't actually need tile, okay. I'm starting to think that I should do some kind of I don't know. This is So I could do game.map. Like, or I could it could actually just send a little raycast, but maybe that's like stupid. I'm just trying to see this like solid thing. It's like there is collision data. Like collision data exists. So I'm like there could be different tile types that are all solid, and like if I was trying to query against the type and there's multiple different solid types, then it's like, maybe I do want to do a physics calculation here. Like if this was a physics process, and then if I just like really quickly did a if I really did a physics query, what would be the cleanest way to do it? I mean, I think I could kind of copy something I did over here, where I do this. I do this. Like, I could grab the world, create array, but I need to set it as one of these four. It'd be nice if there's a really quick way to convert these into vector 2s. Like, I don't know. Or do I want to do it like this? Latest dir text to vec latest dir. Latest dir, is that used anywhere else? Okay, instead of storing this as a variable, let's do array direction. Or like move direction. Something like that. Text2 vec is not declared, it should be. Oh, it's not a function, it's it's like, oh, this is getting a little silly. I'm getting all confused now. This local area shit, I don't need this. This is a mess right now. Oh, this is the player script. Right. I don't need this. All I need is position. This is moved or position. Tile size isn't declared. Game.tilesize. Exclude self. I don't think does player even have collision on it right now? I don't know. Whatever. This is awkward looking fucking line. It'll work. It's just so what's the point of race start as a separate variable? No reason. Okay, so now it's like if result empty, move mover. I think, and I can get rid of all this. Oops. I think. No idea. Let's run it. Let's run it. Oops. Oh, this needs to be game tile size. I don't need this. What did I do wrong? What have I done? Oh, there we go. I'm gonna run it. It's probably gonna crash. So now it was gonna work, but then we don't have update map visibility right now. So this is the other stuff I haven't ported over to the tile map version of the script yet. Okay. Well, this gets confusing now because I need to completely rewrite it, I guess. I guess for now, let me just skip this and see if it lets me walk around. It's letting me walk around. It's really slow. Why is it so slow? I want to add some debug stuff. It should be on its own canvas layer. Canvas layer. Alright, and why is it so slow? could just make this like 10 and 6. It kind of looks stuttery to me. Like, why? Is it because it's not full screen? What if I made it full screen? I wanted to run like butter, you know? Oh, if I'm to make it full screen, then I should make a way to quit the game with the escape key or something. Okay, let me see. Oh, you can't see it. Okay, let me change it to a, yeah, I think on Windows, like Windows applications, it's like, if it's not full screen, it runs like trash or something. I don't know. Hold on. So add game capture. Capture any full screen application. Okay. It's not showing up. How come it doesn't show up? Oh, there we go. Okay, it's like perfect smoothness right now. That's good. It's running like butter. That's what I wanted. But this is before we add all the complex vision algorithm stuff. That's pretty annoying that like running it windowed makes it run like fucking doo-doo. Like what the fuck? Is that really the case? Like it literally runs like trash windowed. That's fucking retarded. What if it's not being captured? Yeah, it literally runs like trash. Like it's a fucking joke. Windows is a fucking joke. Alright, well, it runs good full screen, which means I guess we're gonna make it 16:9 or something, right? I don't know. So it's like, I don't know, like 80 by 35. Oh wait, no, make it full screen. Hold on, we're not out of the woods, cause like we're not out of the woods, cause like oh wait, that was not the right size. I wanted to actually maybe turn off the player camera. Maybe. And then make it so... How big does it need to be? It's like 1920 by 1080 divided by 20. That's 96 by 54. Alright. Oh, the camera needs to fuck off. Alright, here we go. Where is the player? I can't even find the player. Where is the player? Oh, way down here. I couldn't even see it. It's running flawlessly right now. But we need to add the vision algo. I think we need, okay, so the way I think I want to approach this is having two tile maps stacked on top of each other. So literally a second tile, like duplicate this. A second tile map. Or like, it could be a child of the first one maybe. Add child, another tile map. Call it overlay. Rename, overlay. This is also 20 by 20. And I guess I might need to make some images, like this not visible image. Like take it and then make like 5 versions of it that are like more and more transparent or something. So this should be 1920 by 1080. Oh yeah, this is a big grid. But I might make 3 layers of visibility or something. Let me really quickly create this in an image editing software. Alright, so this is oh gosh. Hold on. It will take me a moment to get this to work. Only a second though. Alright, so this is going to be called overlay.png. Alright. Overlay.png. So now on this tile now, I don't need this tile anymore. I can like delete this one out of the tile set. This one. Does that change the numbers here? Oh, it doesn't. That's a bit awkward. Well, actually, it's fine. It's just a little weird. Okay, whatever. Alright, the overlay. The overlay needs a tile set, new tile set. Add an image. Image. Overlay. The overlay image needs to be re-imported without this blurry shit, right? No filter, re-import. Alright, here's the overlay, tile set, add overlay. And then new single tile here. No collision. Occlusion? What is occlusion mode? Wait, what is that? I don't know what that is. We need to look it up. Tile set occlusion, Godot. What is that? That actually might be relevant. What is that? It says you can add occlusion and navigation. Well, what is occlusion? It doesn't say. What is occlusion? It's something to do with lights or something? It has something to do with lights. Okay, I don't even care what it is. Whatever. Alright, wait, what is going on? How do I do this again? What am I doing? Did that work? No. Am I stupid? What? How do I make these 4 different tiles? Am I stupid? Like, what is going on? I don't understand this at all. I just wanted the 4 tiles. Does anyone know how to do this? I made it 1 image. But when you show tiles here, there's nothing, right? I just want the 4 of them to be listed here. Like, I can add the whole thing as a single tile, but that's not what I want, right? Oh, what is this shit? What the fuck? I mean, this kind of works. It's just like, what is going on? I'm like so confused by this shit. I got 2 of them. How did that happen? Oh, maybe I see how this works. Oh, here we go. They're not in the right order. Let me delete it and start over, I guess. Okay, so new single tile, boom. New single tile, boom. New single tile, boom. New single tile, boom. Alright. There we go. Okay, I got it. Actually, I wonder if it'd make more sense to do it the other way. So that 0 would be empty. Or maybe this means 0 visibility and then 3 visibility. That's fine, I guess. Okay, so, well, to start off, this whole map needs to be covered, I guess. Oh, how do I do a big fill, right? Fill. Oh, it didn't work. Maybe I need to select the border. Oops. There we go. Okay. So if I run this... Okay, good. Good. Alright. This is starting to work, I think. I guess I want to have a reference to the overlay. Does it do on ready? Yeah. So after the players spawned, then we want to do vision calc. So you like overlay set tile, set cell. How many times use this grid position? I don't know if I like the name of that, but whatever. It's like alright, so we need some new constants. Maybe? I don't know if I need... I don't know. I could just do this later. We'll just use numbers. Alright, this should work, I think. Oh, underscore. Yeah, so now around the player, there's a black thing because we uncovered that tile, so that's working, right? Alright, so now we're going crazy with this physics process stuff, right? See, I can't do this on ready. So I need to use raycast in a physics process, I guess. Alright. Alright. Don't need this shit. I kind of don't like that you have to be inside of the physics process function in order to fire the raycasts. It's like I need a flag here to determine if it's okay to run the code or not, instead of just calling a function. That to me is a little messy and I don't like it very much. Whatever. Let's run it every frame. Or like, yeah. Okay, we're not doing this time shit, I think. data size. Oh, does player still have steps? Yeah, it's the same code. Okay. We don't need this either. We're not gonna worry about update vision actually. We're just not worrying about this at all. Alright, so there's a function set tile visibility. I need to rewrite this code. I need to rewrite this. I need to rewrite this. I need to rewrite this. I wonder if this could actually go inside the overlay node as a separate script. It just needs access to... Well, it does need access to the data. Like, if this is just the map creation data, or the map creation script, and then I have a separate script for the... I kind of like the idea of moving this out of this. Whoops. I like the idea of getting rid of this from here and making a new script. I might want to just write it from scratch, maybe. Let me think about this. I'm trying to think about this. I don't know. When does player grid position get updated? It does get updated here. Okay, good. So it's almost like game map overlay. Update is true or something. And when it's done updating, update principles. Alright, So this function set tile visibility. Let me look at this. Alright, the V is like currently visible, and the way I was handling it before is that it writes everything as non-visible at the start of an update, and then it goes through what it can see. Let me think about this. Oh, so this tile node type bullshit, this no longer matters. This is no longer relevant. And then this tile node get node overlay, I'm doing it completely differently now. This is more like, it's like you want the XY position. It's like, I don't know, like X int, Y int, visible. It's like, so instead of tile node get node overlay visible, it's set cell X, Y, and then this doesn't specify whether this is going to be true or false, which is also a little bit awkward, because this function kind of serves multiple purposes, and it's like, I don't think I like this function very much the way I originally wrote it. Like, I don't know, I kind of want to like scrap all that code and just rewrite it from scratch in a new way or something. Like, I would say I could start with writing everything. Let me look at this and see if there's any extra tools here that I could take advantage of. I can't set every cell at once, can I? I wonder if there's like some quick way to do that. It just seems like kind of a waste to like have to like go through every single tile. I don't see a way to like bypass that though. Wait a minute though. Isn't there... Hold on. Wait, I saw something somewhere. Wait, hold on. Where did I see? I thought I saw something somewhere. Wasn't there something that returns an array of all cells of a given type? Oh yeah. Get used cells by ID. It's like... Yeah. Get used cells by ID. ID equals 3. 3 for completely transparent. Yeah. So this is the array of things we're looping. So like for tile in. This returns an array of what? I wonder what form this array takes. Is it like vector 2s? I guess I'll print it. I need to print it, I think. Alright, so let's go back to our map here and draw some like empty squares and run it. Okay. Okay, so they're vector 2s giving coordinates. It's like for tile in this. It's like if it was just visible in the previous update, I can set them all to be like the next level of visibility. I do need to be storing data though, and I was originally going to store the data back up in this tile data array here. I'm starting to think I don't even need this array in this script at all, and instead I could have overlay data, like tile visibility data as a separate object, as a separate array inside of overlay. Like visibility data, like, yeah, maybe. Oh, was it set cell the tile 2? So this should like overwrite the yeah, see, it changes the overlay from completely transparent to slightly transparent right away, but okay, I see. Well, this is way more performant than what I had before. It's just... yeah, this song is called, soulgit.mod, as in soul guitar. It's a cover of the original mod file Guitarus, but it is remixed by someone named Esdemo1. And this song, the original is from like the 90s, I think, and then this one is maybe also from the 90s, the remix. No, the remix is from 2002 apparently. December 2002. It's a .mod file. I used this song in a Megazeus game I made when I was like 13, 14, when I made some like ice dungeon. I used this song, I just found this song and used it. I like the song, it's good like background music. Yeah, I mean, I agree with you, Barry. I just need to, I need to get to the point where I'm awake at the appropriate hour. Alright. So I'm still thinking about this tile visibility data. Like, every tile needs a last seen property, I guess. So, during the ready function, like, we need to create this data, and I really might get rid of this data here. I might get rid of it. Like, separating the vision system away from the map data seems like I don't see a problem with doing that. But I do need to construct the array, right? I just need to do this, basically. I'll just call it overlay data. So we're appending a dictionary that's like -1 for never seen, I guess. Is there any other data I need other than the last time you saw the tile? Probably not. So basically just an integer for when you last spotted the tile or something. Maybe? There actually will be interactions, I think, between... there's something I want to make later, like later on. I'm not there yet, but later on this might get a lot more complicated because the overlay and the tile map would start to interact. Because I have this idea for this like memory system with forgetting locations, and I haven't reached the point of coding that. Like right now, I'm not doing that at all, but it's an idea for later. All right, whatever. We're just gonna append last scene. So maybe instead of maybe I'll literally just call it last scene. And then just append the integer. I still think I'm gonna have to loop through every tile unless I might need to loop through every tile anyway, because I need to check this value to see if it's gone past particular thresholds. Alright, so when does this get updated? When you see a tile, right? So we need to actually... we need to do vision shits now. Let me just grab this shit and think about what the fuck I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, we want this. We don't want... or yeah, we want this too. And we're gonna declare what this is. And we need game.player and game.file size and game.file size and game.tile size. We don't need to worry about local area anymore, except that we can declare a vision limit, like 20 tiles or something, or yeah, vision limit I'll make it a const, right? Actually, it can be a variable. This could maybe get changed later or something. Okay. That should be game.player. We don't know need to worry about the debug object anymore. This function needs to be changed. Oh, convert to tile position. Right. I guess I'll bring that function back too. This is game.map with game.map height. This function. All right. I'm currently using this result normal to determine which tile was actually hit, but now that I'm using a tile map, I think I can get that, because if you look at the, if you look at this, it says when doing physics queries against the tile map, the cell coordinates are encoded as metadata. So we're not doing intersect shape, we're doing intersect ray. Metadata, the intersecting shapes metadata. So result.metadata is actually relevant. We could print it and see what comes out. And let me try running this. Alright. Invalid get index map with on base nil. I think because this hasn't run yet. This is running first. Uh-oh, this is a bit awkward. I think there's an init function that runs even earlier. That might work. Let's see if this crashes or not. Oh, it does not crash. There's no error. I didn't try to move though. What happens if I try to move? Okay, I tried to move and some stuff happened. Oh, look at that. It's printing. The metadata is literally just a vector too that gives you the location of the tile. That's good because now result metadata is the chord, right? So I can just do chord equals result.metadata. I can remove this. And I think it won't lag as hard if I do that. Okay, it's running pretty smooth, but it's not doing any vision updates yet because I got rid of the set tile visibility function. And this is where we need to figure this shit out. So this true means it's currently visible. So if I made a new function, or like make tile visible, I guess pass in the coordinates. We would do this. But we also need to update the last scene. Last scene xy equals game.player.steps. Right, so this initial thing I did where I just looped over only the cells that were previously visible, this is where I think I need to loop over everything again, and get use cells by ID is actually not helpful for me, I think. We need to make a function, or we just need to loop over everything, honestly. I don't know. Just get used cells, I guess. That's a function, right? Yeah, it's like for every single cell. For every single cell. This is like the big update right here. And tile is a vector too. So it's like last scene tile x, tile y. This would return an integer of when it was last seen. It's like if it's -1, continue the loop, right? Continue means go to the next step in the for loop, I think. I think that's what that does. It doesn't need to do anything if it's -1. However, if it's not -1, then we need to compare the actual value. And since we're grabbing the actual value, let's not look it up in the array multiple times, maybe. Let's just set it to a variable as this is where we need to do that comparison. Alright, so I just say continue here because it should already be, like on the tile map, this should already be overlay 0. And here I'm like snapping to certain ranges. Basically it's steps minus last scene. Like gamedev.player.steps minus ls. Which is like, I guess I call it like memory distance. And then this opacity shit is just like, we're gonna be doing set cell the tile. I don't need any of this code. Like, if it's less than, if it's less than like 30, then it becomes 2. L if it's less than 60, it becomes 1, and then else is 0, I think. And then if it's currently visible, make tile visible is just called with the XY coordinate. It's also called here. Okay, I think that's everything. Alright. Let's try running it. Oh, holy shit, it's working, right? It's kind of working. It's working, I think. Is it working? That was epic. That was fucking epic. It's working, right? I think it's working. I think it's working. It's also running. It actually runs. It's running perfectly too. It's running like butter smooth, which is much better than what I had before. It's kind of epic. I tried to make a distance on how far you could see, but I might have made it too long. Let's try 10. Oh, it needs to run it once right away. It doesn't run it the first time. Update equals true. Wait, why does it like... Why does it not run it the first time? It should run it once at the start. I don't know why it doesn't run the first time. It says hello. Why is it not, Why is it not running the first time? This code is way better than the previous code. It's actually kind of awesome. But I don't know why it's not running. Like, I run the project and then nothing happens. And then you take a step and then it works. There's some like it's, this square is not visible, which is kind of dumb. And like these squares not being visible right here, that feels like, that's like bad, like what the fuck. Like this should be visible from here. That's kind of like, that's not good. It's like, the vision sweep is kind of shitty, I guess. I need to fix it. Oh my god, you know what I could do? I could do that get cell of type ID for the overlay and find anything that's not visible and then pass that array of coordinates back up to the map and then like delete the prior history of what was there basically and generate new stuff or something. That's like the idea, kind of. It's just, my vision sweep seems kind of shitty, and it doesn't run the first time for some reason. So there's a few problems. I don't know why, like, the vision sweep seemed to work better before. There's something, like, wonky with it, I guess. I don't know. Like, how could it not see directly below? Like, something's wrong. Like, something's definitely wrong with it. Like, what the fuck? It's definitely glitchy. Like, I can't see directly north. Like, that doesn't make sense. Well, I have some debugging to do. At least it's running really smoothly. It's like really quick. I guess tile maps are overpowered in terms of performance. Alright, I don't know why this is like worse. This is GD script. It's like the basic scripting language for Godot engine or Godot engine. I think it's pronounced Godot actually. Godot. Can I like... I want to debug my vision system. What's the node that lets me draw lines? Can I just like draw lines to a canvas layer? I just want to draw, like, hold on. There's some way to draw lines, or like primitives. Oh, right. There's... Okay. Add a script to any canvas item derived node, like node or controller node 2D, then override the draw function. Okay. Let's just make it a debug. Okay. Okay, I need to override the draw function. Draw a line. This is foam 2, right? result metadata. Wait, no. Result position. Result position. Okay. And then after all the updating's done, it should call update, I think. Alright, let's oh. Oh shit, it doesn't undo the drawing. Oh, it looks cool though. It looks cool. It's just damn, that's pretty interesting. It fails to uncover some of the tiles though for some reason. For some reason it's not working. Damn, look at that. Okay, we need to like clear the... How do you clear it? I'm trying to clear this shit. Actually, I'm surprised it doesn't clear it by default. I thought that was the default behavior. Yeah, like, I'm not trying, like, okay. I'm trying to clear this every frame so you don't, so you can see, I'm just trying to see the rays that are, like, currently being sent out from the player. And right now it's still showing the old rays, which is kind of, not what I'm trying to do. And I also have to fix, the vision algorithm because it's failing to clear, like, you can see right here, it's supposed to have cleared squares here, but it didn't. So there's some reason it's failing. Yeah. Oh, I know why. It doesn't clear the array. Oh, I'm so silly. Ah ha 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 ha. Alright, there, it's fixed now. Alright, that fixed it. Alright. Alright. Also might make it less obnoxious looking. Maybe. Well, it's fine, whatever. Yeah, so why is it failing? I don't know. It's definitely like it's drawing the lines correctly. Like they're stopping at the walls and they're like something's wrong. Okay. Okay, I think instead of drawing these lines, wait, how do you draw? I want to draw just dots. I think I have a better idea. I just want to draw like a pixel or points. Or a circle, I guess. Draw a circle. Vector do position, float radius. Okay, here we go. Alright, so instead of these lines, points. For P and points, draw a circle at P. And the radius is going to be, I don't know, like 2 or 3? Like 2. Okay. Alright, now let's just add points. Oh, did I? Maybe I... Oh, I think I know what the problem is. I think this shouldn't have been indented. I think this is supposed to not be indented. Maybe? That fixed multiple problems at once. It's working now, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, if the line didn't hit a wall, it didn't clear anything along the line. That's why it was failing. Because I accidentally indented the code to run inside of an if-else statement that it shouldn't have done. Okay. What next? I basically did what I set out to do, which was remake it to work with the tile map, and it runs like fucking perfectly. It runs extremely smoothly, right? It's 144 frames per second without dropping any frames. Although I think it's more like 60 frames per second. I'm not sure how this works. Either way, it's like running flawlessly, which is great. I can make areas change when you forget them, yes. Yep, that's that is the tricky idea. Basically I need to like change the way the map generation works so that it's like constantly generating the map as you walk around, instead of like generating the whole thing at the start. I'm just like, I feel kind of satisfied right now, so I wonder if I'm gonna lose motivation. Like, it's working much better than the old version. It's also more organized, like the code. Let me think. I know, like, right now the map is kind of, it's just, like, ugly random shit. And there's only, like, one, like, the walls are all just, like, the solid single color. Yeah, pickups, yeah. I thought about adding, like, gems or something. And keys and doors. Oh, and ice tiles that make you slide, like the Pokemon ice tiles. Like, basically, those are the main objects I was thinking. Oh, also stairs that go up or down and spawn a new floor, basically. Yeah, I'm still not totally sure about that, like, mechanic where like, you retrace your steps and it's something new. It's an idea though. It was like one of the concepts. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure what this project is, you know? I was just like, I just wanted to do some grid-based like vision system on like a random map. I was like, sort of the original like motivation, but I know there's not like a game. I just don't know what. I'm not sure what I want to do exactly. I like how smooth it's running though. It's good. There was another idea with the like the memory system, like if you revisited an area multiple times, there could be something where it like reinforces the memory so that you don't forget it. And then areas that you like wander through once can get like regenerated or something. I don't know. There's like different ideas like that. There definitely needs to be more like going on though. I also thought about decorating the walls to have like well, the map generation not being so random, like a little bit more structure or something. Yeah, forgetfulness potion. Yeah, it's an idea. And I did kind of like the idea of stairs. And I'm like split on different ideas, like if like I could make it in a way where the camera does follow the player, and then you could just wander like infinitely. Like you could just go like, you could go way far away or something maybe, and it just keeps generating shit around you. But the player would be like centered on the screen. There's also the idea of stairs. And I'm personally a fan of like ice tiles that make you slide. So that's like sections of icy floor is something I kind of like. I guess if I know that I like the ice tile idea, then I could like try to implement it or something. Like I like keys, doors, gems, and ice tiles. I just like this shit. But am I too lazy to continue? It's like, this might be my problem. I accomplish something and then I'm like, alright, cool. I guess I have been working on it for 3 hours. Oh, I want to add the debug points though. Hold on, this might be fun to look at. Or chord. Okay, let me see what this looks like. Oh, what happened? Why didn't it? Wait. Oh shit. It's trying to draw, but it's not drawing for some reason. Oh, it's passing in the wait, why is this not working? Well, whatever. Forget this. Well, Oh, POS is what I want. Result position. Okay, does this work? Oh yeah, look at that. This is actually showing like, this is showing pretty well like what's going on with the vision system. I can make it not such a garish color. This kind of shows like exactly where it's checking tiles, kind of. The song is not, it's not easy to get the song. It's hidden inside of a zip file on a website somewhere. And I thought about uploading it as its own video though. Like playing the song and recording it and then uploading it. I see, so like, see how it jumps? Like, there's a ray that does actually interact with this tile, but it jumps over the tile, and then it never checks the tile, you see? So that's why this tile is not visible right now. And then this jumping right here is also why there's like this diagonal cut right here where you can't see either of these tiles. It's because this skipping that I do, where I just like jump forward a certain amount of distance. It's like you can see the algorithm. I suppose like, I could literally divide this by 2. And if I do that, you'll see all the extra dots, and it will have technically better vision. This is just like the naive way that I programmed it. It's kind of neat though. I don't know, I'm getting really lazy. I guess I'm really lazy. It's so smooth though, it works so well. Even with like this ridiculous amount of custom drawing. Although, I think the algorithm now is getting heavier because I reduced the amount of distance it jumps. It means this it checks so many more tiles, all just for like a very, very slight improvement on the line of sight. I'm pretty sure my line of sight algorithm is like really suboptimal. Also, I just arbitrarily chose 360 rays, but I could like reduce that to 150. And then maybe divide this by, no, just like go back to what I had before. This would be like a lightweight, this is a more lightweight vision system now. It doesn't like hit every square as well, but it I could also like measure the amount of time it takes to run the calculation. But yeah, I might actually stop for now. I might. Anyway. Yeah, this is good for now. I think I'm just gonna end it. So, thanks for watching. I had fun. I figured out tile maps and I got this to run really smoothly, which is great. Maybe next time I will add like extra stuff to the map, like ice sections, and like maybe to work on the map generation algorithm. I'm not so sure about the forgetfulness stuff yet. It was kind of a cool idea, but I'm not sure. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.